Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2.4, Three Visions for India. Visions means here we are going to learn, in this lesson we are going to learn the three visions of Dr. Abdul Kalam for India. Three visions. Visions means here dream. Means three dreams of Dr. Abdul Kalam for India. In this lesson, what visions Dr. Abdul Kalam tells us that we are going to learn in this lesson. Now see, first paragraph. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the father of India's integrated guided missile program, states three visions for India based on the achievement and progress that he has witnessed in the history of nation and during his own career as a missile scientist. See now, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was the father of India. He was the father of India. And he integrated means he put the whole guided missile program. Integrated means entire or whole or complete. Okay, complete guided missile program. And in this missile program, he states three dreams for India. Okay, in this missile program, he put the three dreams for India, which is based on the achievements and progress that he has witnessed in the history of the nation. Means that dreams for India, which is based on the achievement and progress of India. Okay, which is based on the achievement and progress of India. And Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was the witness in the history of the nation. History of the nation. And during his own career as a missile scientist. And everyone know Dr. Abdul Kalam, he was the missile scientist. Okay. Dr. Kalam's three visions for India are, now see, which dreams are there of Dr. Abdul Kalam for India? See, first vision is freedom. First vision is freedom, means in his vision that he wants the free India. Okay. Then development of nation and standing up. Third dream is standing up. Standing up means being brave and facing challenges. Being brave means he want to become the India being brave. Means each and every person should be brave, must be brave, and they should be able to face the challenges. They should be able to face the challenges. These are the three visions, three dreams of Dr. Abdul Kalam for India. The focus of his presentation is on develop India to its fullest potential while standing up to the rest of the world with fully validated self-respect for the achievement that have been obtained in the modern time. Means see, means he focus on the presentation of the developing India. Okay, through this vision, he focus on the presentation of developing India. Also, with the fullest potential. Potential means capacity, able. Means fully full of ability or full of capacity. Okay, means he focus on the developing India with the fullest ability. Okay, while standing up to the rest of the world with fully validated, means with the bravely. Okay, means we the Indian, we should be bravely face the challenges of the word. Okay, with fully validated. Fully validated means with proof. With proof. Confirm with proof. Means we should be standing up. We should be facing the challenges with the proof. Okay, with the proof. And self-respect for the achievements that have been obtained in the modern times. Means we should be bring the self-respect. Means if you have the self-respect, then only it is possible to bring the achievement of the nation. Okay, we should achieve something if you are brave. Okay, if you are brave, then only if you are able to facing the challenge, then only we can achieve anything. It's the opinion of Dr. Abdul Kalam, and that have been obtained in the modern time. And it is very necessary. Dr. Abdul Kalam's opinion is that if you want to achieve something, we should be bravely face the challenges. Okay, we should be bravely face the challenges. Then only it is possible to being a developed nation. Okay, and means we are able to achieve something. Then see, means it is like this way. Dr. Abdul Kalam in this passage, he tells us about the three visions for India, which is freedom, development, and standing up. Okay, means he tells us about the through these three visions, he want to do the progress of the nation in modern time. Tomorrow we will learn the next. Okay, everyone read this lesson and write the hard words meanings. Okay, thank you.